हाय सर, गुड इवनिंग। बहुत ही अच्छा रहता है सर, आप जब भी नया वीडियो आप जब भी क्रिएट करते हैं बहुत अच्छा लगता है। ओके, लाइक अभी ह्यूमन का इंटेंसिव एंड ह्यूमन का जो प्रायोरिटी है अभी आगे आगे जाके नहीं रहने वाला है। लाइक 2040 या 2050 में सब रोबोटिक होने वाला है। सो इस वजह से हम मतलब हमारा जो ह्यूमन कल्चर है डिप्रेशन में आएंगे, और हमारा जो ह्यूमन सुसाइड है, बहुत लोग सुसाइड भी होने वाले हैं आगे आगे। और हम जो अभी फाइनेंशियली फ्रीडम होने के लिए चाहते हैं और जॉब जो कर रहे हैं वो आगे जाके तो जॉब रहने वाला नहीं है। ओके, जो भी बहुत सारा जॉब्स अवेलेबल है जैसे ऑफलाइन में हो रहा है, 20 साल के बाद वो जॉब रहने वाला तो नहीं है, और उस वजह से बहुत सारे लोग डिप्रेशन में आएंगे। तो आपका क्या राय है सर? क्या मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ, फ्यूचर बनाना है, लाइफ को आगे लेके जाना है, मैं आपसे राय जानना चाहता हूँ।
Hi Shushan, thank you for asking me this question. And I want to also thank you that I could take your name. You have asked that human priority is reducing and everything is becoming robotic and automated. And also, you have said that this is leading to lots of depressions. And your basic question was how shall we make our future, our life, 20 to 40 years from now, from today? This is such a nice and a beautiful question because many years back, before I started my work 25 years back, before that, when I was in the military, I was going through this thought process. I could see that the future which is coming will become very dark and depressed and suicidal because of the things that were happening in those years before 1996. And so I thought I have to do something about it. You know, when we talk about future, when we think about future, and it seems dark, and it seems that we will be, defeated by the future. When we think this thing, that and we go into depression or we become suicidal for any reason, anything which is happening in the present or anything which is happening which may happen later, or all these things, we actually become victims of something which has not yet happened. Firstly, and secondly, future is a thing which we have to embrace. And before I get more into this, I would say this thing that there are certain eternal laws. They call this eternal universal laws as Sanatan Dharma. And I'll give you a small example. Think of a man, he goes on the terrace of his apartment building, which is like 14 storied building, and he jumps from there. What will happen? First thing what will happen is he will go down. That is the universal law of nature. When humanity is in the prison or when humanity is dying before their age, it is a loss for humanity. I always tell people, if somebody wants to end their life, don't do that. Give their life to our work, our Gen A Satyugi work for humanity, for divinity, for nature and future of humanity. So the most important thing is, which I am trying to do for this solution, is I have made this Korak Satyugi Gurukul. Satyugi, as you know, is Gen A, not Gen X or Gen Y or Gen Z. It's a fresh start, Gen A. In this Satyugi Gurukul, we make people aware of the Sanatan Dharma, of the eternal laws of nature, of life, of living, of everything related to a human being's prosperous and positive lifestyle. And when we are at par, when we are in resonance with the eternal laws, with all the knowledge, all the gyan, all the goodies with which we are born, which our Creator has given us in totality, life takes a toll on everyone. Every human being goes through these nonsense in life. So it is very important not to care about what will happen in the future, not to think about it. Keep doing it, keep doing things which you have, which I have, which we all have now. Grow your foundation, because my way of dealing situations is always like this. I do not make a action on my reaction. I make actions on the actions which is leading to those reactions. Hope I could make you understand. So I always act on the foundations of a problem. When you are working on the foundation, people will not see the change in you just like that, because you are growing in your foundation, or you are making your children have that strong Kohinoor like foundation. And it is not that it is some dialogue, it is some theory. I have used it for 25 years in my gurukuls, and I have made lots and lots of gems and also Kohinoors. So it is a fact, it is a reality. The more sooner we make our foundation strong, the more our brains, our intelligence, our all goodness which we have, they will open up. And once they are opening up, then no problem is a problem. And then 20, 40, 40,000 years, doesn't matter. If you can survive that time, you can be happiest in those times also. You will not have any depression and suicidal, forget it. Never, never, never end your life in suicide. The life is given by the Creator. If you want to end your life in suicide, rather give it to the Creator. Give it, and we are working for the Creator. So give it to us. Give your life to us. And we want human beings to do so much needs to be done for humanity, for divinity, for future, for nature. So much needs to be done. And we need you. Welcome and do the needful. Bye. Pranam.